morning, everyone. And how are you doing on this Tuesday morning? Usually dedicated in the church. DNA is there, and that an acorn has all the DNA for an oak tree, but it's not an oak tree. What are your thoughts on this, Ray? Well, you know, it's an oak tree in potentia, is what I would say. But you see, the difference is between acorn supplier versus a human embryo is that in that human embryo, you have with a single-celled embryo, you have what's called a zygote, and that zygote is a very special pluritote, actually totipotent cell. And that particular cell is actually going to be the origin and the unity of every other cell that will develop in that human being over the course of that human being's existence. So
Kim, ano ilang gate? Ang dumi na ang kabayo. Iswinto. Pwede pang order bukas.
not just a genetic one, but a substantial continuity from the moment that you have that single-celled unicellular zygote all the way until the point of death. And every other cell will be spawned by that zygote, and it will, its imprint, as it were, will be there, and it will provide the unity of that organism, that human being, all the way through. So my point is, yeah, you can say that, you know, it's not a fully developed human being, but don't ever say it's not a human being. It's absolutely a human being, and that's why I started off those studies before in the worldwide study that had about 5,700 professional biologists. Of that group, 96% said that the unicellular, the single-cell zygote was the beginning of a new, unique human life. That's what they said. And of the American one, the U.S. one, it was 68% of those 2,800 professional biologists surveyed. Of that, was 68% said that the beginning of a new, unique human life was the single-cell zygote. So, and I think that the reason is, is very clear. It's the same substance all the way through. It's not just a genetic code. It's the same substance. And all that is required is to have development. Now, if you use the development argument as a justification for abortion, then where are you going to stop it? How much development do you need? In other words, do you need in order for somebody to become human? If it's not at the single cell zygote, which single cell is going to be the continuity of the
Namin diri is nice. Dite.
Nice.
Permanently nice ang Christmas tree sa Montani Bay.
Very nice.
Ano na? Sige ka. Okay na.
Focus. No ka?
Dili.
Maybe
Napachit
na.
ko.
Maybe na.
Tana.
Sige pa. Hindi ka mag-picture.
Dili. Di mo na pagkain mo na kuya kung gisos yun.
Okay, so I just got the Hero 9, the GoPro Hero 9. So I'm not getting the latest GoPro because of the price. And this one is a special bundle. It comes with free extra battery and free remote. And the price is just great. It's just 26,000 in pesos total. So you can get it from this store. This is Camera House in SM City, Cebu. This is the receipt, but I wonder why it's totaling still 29,000. And by the way, I thought any memory card will do for this kind of thing. You actually need a Extreme Pro. That's the one for video. So I thought this regular card would work, but they say it don't. So I'd like to start. Let's see if the package is complete. They want to open it from the bottom. They wanted to open it from through here. So rather, because I don't want to mess up with those stickers, maybe I want to open it from here. Okay, maybe we need scissors. Okay, so I opened the top of the package. Okay, so this is the bag for the thing. Let's unzip it, see if it has what it says inside. It should come with extra battery and the remote. So after this, we're going to test this, and this video should be better because now I'm just using a regular phone. Okay, so we got the instruction manual. I guess this is the instruction manual, documentation. Okay, manual. So this is the Q&A book. If you have questions, what is this? Letters too small. And another one. Oh, it's a guide for the remote. And this one is maybe a guide for the unit itself. Okay, so this one is for safety instructions. Okay, so you get lots of literature here. What is this? Oh, still about the remote. No, oh, there's 3 manuals for the remote. Okay, so we have the. This looks like the remote, yeah. So I guess. Okay, that's the remote, and we get the unit itself. Let's see. Get some protective paper. Let's pull it out. Okay, so camera at the back, camera at the front. So dual camera, that's really good. And what is this? Like a Velcro strap. Okay, what is this? Ah, this is a holder, like when you want to mount it on, I don't know, motorbike or maybe your car dash cam. Okay. Okay, it's the power cord. Okay, charging cord. And this one. Okay, you get 2 charging cords. What was this? Ah, extra batteries. So you have I'm getting 2 extra batteries. And this one. Ah, okay. So this is for the tripod, I guess. Securing lock. for the tripod. Okay, so that's it for this package. GoPro 9 special bundle, and after this I'm gonna test it and see the beauty of this thing. So this is now the GoPro camera, and just testing it now. So this should be a lot better now, I guess. We should be able to produce cinematic, better videos. Okay, so this is the entire package here. And this is where I edit videos. So it should be better now. I guess I'll continue charging this thing. So this is now the standard mode. That first one was cinematic, so I'm still trying to connect to this device. So I don't know which one is better. Let me try another mode. Okay, let's try another mode here. Now it cannot connect to the device. So this is the activity mode, and it's still trying, the thing is still trying to connect to my phone. So I want to know which one is better.